guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And if you'd like to see what I got in this box, come on back, watch. Okay, this is a Fundelivered, ouch, and it's their Big and Tall box, and it's supposed to be consistent of big and tall packages. And I did get more than, 6 or 7 or 8, whatever it says, but on the last one, I got these two at the same time. This week and last week at the same time. And I'm recording them at the same time. Some of my clothes look alike. That's why. But then we have, it's just not, these things do not want to open today. Getting aggravated with it. The other one I couldn't open it. I tried to open it, couldn't get it open. Yeah. There's, I don't expect much out of this one because the one I got last week, pretty much junk. And it looks like this week's not going to be much different. So anyway, here's the card, Fundelivered. I'll leave the link below. And we'll start off with this little thing flying at me. Because he's saying, open me, get me out of here. Oh. And like last week's box, this is very, very light. So, I really don't think there's going to be a lot of good stuff in there. Just saying. I'm not trying to be melodramatic or anything. And here is, I believe it's a necklace, and it's got a moon and stars on it. That's probably $1 on Temu. Now, I like my Temu, don't get me wrong. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 packages, and it's not looking good. It's not looking good looking in them packages. It's not looking good. No way. So, yeah, this one's not looking good at all. Here's a pair of jeans. They're kind of heavy for jeans, and they're size large. But they're kind of heavy for jeans. They got these kind of pockets. Yeah, they got interesting pockets. They got leg pockets and back pockets and side pockets and the wider legs. Kind of cute. Kind of cute. Anything that I can't particularly use, I either donate or, if it's utter trash, I will throw it away. But I will throw it away or I will find somebody that can use it. So don't think I'm just... And I do have a little booth at the local consignment shop, so sometimes I put them there. Oh my. This is one of the worst jackets I've ever seen, quality-wise. It'll be donated. Most of this stuff will be donated. Okay, now we got this one. This was coming from Baltimore, Maryland. As they didn't X it out, so I gotta be careful not to show it. Amazon return. I take it. Oops. Well, I stand corrected. This is the ugliest shirt I ever saw. I mean, the quality, all this shit is just printed on. It's just that real cheap material. So it will be donated. Because, you know, when this is a rewrap, I think, or an overstock, one or the other. Oh, this is different. This is something different. This is a set of punch mats. Or whatever you call them. That's what it is. And there's two. And they will probably be going up north to Dan and his daddy. Now here's this one. Now, a lot of these were not what I would call big tall boxes. So just to let you know, I will buy this one again. I could have got this stuff for paying $79 for the other one. Dance like Frosty, shine like Rudolph, give like Santa, and love like Jesus. And it's a big one, but I'll save it. I'll put it in my holiday drawer. Okay. And then we got this one in the box. I'm kind of let down with this. This has been one. Well, at least this has something else in it. You know. Because I have a feeling this is another one of those. Really? No, it's not. It doesn't feel that way. Yeah, it is. What the heck is it? It's a table line runner, I think. No, it's a scarf. And it's reversible. Or you can use it as a little Turkish towel. Yeah. Oops, drop that again. I have no idea what this is. Hangs over a door. There's two of these. And they're just pegs that hang over the door. Over a cabinet door. Yeah, it's kind of thin, so I wouldn't say a whole door, but a cabinet door. And you can just hang stuff on your little cookie there. We got one more thing. And I'll tell you. Nope, I ain't buying this one again. Oh, no, I got two more things. No, yeah, I got two more things. But this is two of something, and I'm telling you, there is no weight to it. This is Dayton, New Jersey also. So I'm thinking that must be where returns go or something. Let's read what this says. No. Get them apart. Okay. Let's see. And there's two of these. I was looking for something. I was going to go to the store tomorrow or the next day and buy something for Jerry Lane's mom for Valentine's Day. So I don't have to do that. Let's see if it's the same color. Yeah, I'll just get up to Jerry Lane's mom for Valentine's Day and take her some candy or something. She's a sweet old lady. She can't do much anymore. this is a different color. This one, it's pink and white. So, I like that other one better. So there's that. And we got one more. And it's a rewrap and it's closed. So, would I buy these again? No, I wouldn't. What are these? There's two of them. They look like drapes. Yeah. They look like drapes. I don't know though. Maybe a white tablecloth? But, yeah, they're real long. I mean, as you can see, this is half the length, but there's no thing to put a curtain rod in or anything, so it must be a tablecloth. And there's two of them. So, okay. You could use it for white fabric if you wanted to, I suppose. But anyway, that's my unclaimed mail for this week. This was a wah-wah. I won't buy this one again. Big and tall boxes, I won't. Because I could have saved myself, between the two boxes, I could have saved myself $50 and just got the regular size boxes and got anything that was in here I could have got out of the regular size box. There's nothing that wouldn't have fit in regular size box. So, yeah, I'm thinking I ain't doing this again. So anyway, come on back, like, subscribe. I'd like to have you. Remember, old people need love too. Bye.